Hello there, it's Abhinav Nerola. I'm back here with my new video. Guys, even in this stretch of high quality test match cricket, we've got a T20 international series coming up between two similarly ranked sides, Pakistan and South Africa in Pakistan. So let's preview the first T20I of the 3-match series, which is scheduled to begin in some hours from now. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. On 11th of February 2021, the Qaddafi Stadium Lahore is going to host this encounter. Qaddafi is renowned to host a lot of T20 matches involving 160 to 170 runs. To surprise us big time this time around, do expect the curators to prepare a batting friendly wicket considering the fact that Pakistan have their A side featuring against the B side of South Africa. Conduction of not even a single match at the Qaddafi Stadium since last 2 weeks or so might also help for the cause. The wicket isn't expected to be slow at any point in the matchup. Plus, the pitch is expected to be brown and just a tad moist, hence batsmen and spinners shall most probably have a good time out there. It's a T20 game, plus it's an evening game. Considering the dew factor in mind, do expect the toss winning side to opt to field first. The statistics of Pakistan while chasing isn't that great, so Pakistan may even opt to bat first if Babar goes on to win the toss. South Africa: Reza Hendricks, John Smuts, Janeman Malan, Pite van Biljon, Henrik Klaasen captain and wicket-keeper, David Miller, Andile Feklucwayo, Dwayne Pretorius, Tabraiz Shamsi, Bjorn Fortuin and Lutho Sipamla. Can't see this side winning the crunch moments against the A side of Pakistan. Well, this side has nothing to lose, so maybe this side can somehow give its level best to pull this match off. The upcoming World T20I is in India. Well, South Africa have missed a phenomenal opportunity to make their top players practice in alike conditions. The matter of Australia travelling or not shouldn't have been a concern considering that South Africa don't stand any chance at the World Test Championship final and they need to prepare for the upcoming World T20I. Unfortunately, most of South Africa's top 7 batters of this lineup are terrible players of quality spin bowling. Only Reza and Malan can survive against quality spinners in spin friendly conditions. Except Feklucwayo, I can't see any other bowler succeeding out there in Pakistan. Pace off and accuracy need to be South African pacers' mantra if they want to succeed. Linda, due to the finger injury that he encountered last time around, may get a bit of rest. Pakistan: Babar Azam captain, Haider Ali, Mohammad Rizwan wicket-keeper, Asif Ali, Khusdil Shah, Iftikhar Ahmed, Fahim Ashraf, Hassan Ali, Usman Qadir, Zahid Mahmood and Haris Rauf. In my view, this is the best playing 11 for this matchup and Pakistan most probably shall go into this matchup with this 11, although rumors suggest that the likes of Talat, Nawaz and Hasnain are expected to feature ahead of Ahmed Ali and Mahmood respectively. In the presence of the stability that both Babar and Rizwan provide at the top of the order, the likes of Haider, Asif, Khusdil and Iftikhar can play freely with utmost flamboyance. To add up, the presence of Hassan and Usman at number 8 and 9 respectively decreases the tail as well. Hasnain is indeed the best T20 pacer that Pakistan have at the moment in my view, but still, he most probably won't be able to make it into the best playing 11 courtesy the choice of that correct team combination. Shaheen is expected to be rested in this matchup. This pace bowling lineup, which contains the pace and aggression of Rauf, the form, hustle and aggression of Hassan Ali and the silent accuracy of Fahim Ashraf, looks like the best one for this encounter. In the absence of Pakistan's experienced spin duo, do expect both leg spinners to get a crack in this encounter as the attacking options. I just hope that Pakistan bring their A game into the forte and not miss Hafiz at any stage. Looks like Fahim's all-round performance is going to be the decider. The only but major plus point that South Africa have going into this matchup is that they don't have a demoralized team featuring in this matchup, as only 2 test players are in the T20 squad. On the other hand, this is just the perfect platform set for Pakistan to win a T20 series against a similarly ranked side. Hence, Pakistan most probably shall begin this series with a comprehensive win. Take care.